So you see it, we're back at it again with another one.
Another one.
So now we headed off to get us another bike, 10-speed with some gears on it. We want to work out on our cardio, but it got a motor on that toe. You know, rum business is how we do.
Hey, how you doing? They won't hurt you.
He won't.
They don't.
They don't bite?
No. Not, but I shouldn't say that. The bite won't hurt you. They like they're actually good for the environment because they take care of mosquitoes and bugs and flies and stuff. Right.
Oh man, do you see what I just got? I got that in the back. I want to say thanks to Scott for this one.
Yeah.
See, this is a classic and something that we can ride and run and have fun with. But the other one, it's like a beautiful restoration coming up, y'all. What you think?
Mm-hmm.
Restoration time. Oh yeah.
Sir.
Stay tuned. Oh, you see it.
You see it.
Bison meat. And cheeks.
Hello.
Instead of beef
So I want to
for
try
anything.
grilled chicken plate. See how that tastes.
I'm gonna do the,
Or just going
but I like the sweet potato though. That sounds so good.
I think we're best with like Canyon Creek or
to. That's some lemonade for you.
Lemonade for your ass, okay? Cheers.
So we're gonna try something new. Go ahead. What's your reaction?
Tastes like when we put in vinegar.
Okay, then I definitely gonna love it. Tastes like the not a dill pickle.
Yeah, them crunchy ones.
That's something I can eat, but not a lot of it's too salty for me. All right here. That's good for you. The cinnamon butter. So this girl here. Tell me this is bison meat.
Yeah, bison meat.
Bison burger. Chicken meat. I'm gonna take a bite and see what it is. One bison loaded up in the chamber. Look, it tastes like
What?
Hardee's.
The Hardy burger?
Look, a Hardee's burger. And dry ass meatloaf. With a little bit moisturized.
Spicy.
Not bad. I catch him out there in the land. I know what I'm gonna do to him.
Eat it up.
Ted got the job done. It was pretty good. Lemonade every goddamn thing. No, I ain't gonna say it ain't.
Yep.
I'm a little ass right there.
Want me, Josh?
No, you stuffed. Well, we's back to work. Quick lunch break. Back to these bikes. So now we get to work on this thing. We're taking the plug out. That's fouled out, all nasty and gunked up. We're gonna clean the carb out and get it going. Yeah, he sees the plug.